Good morning, children. I am Anmol Messi, PGT Physics, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Children, in our previous videos, we have discussed about the various cases of image formation using concave and convex lens. So, first of all, we discuss the image formation using convex lens, and then we discuss the various cases of image formation using concave lens. Today, what we are going to do is we will discuss the uses of concave lens and convex lens, and later on we'll discuss some more topics related to this chapter. So let us start with the uses of concave lens. The first use of a concave lens is that we can use it in spectacles or glasses to correct myopia. Okay. Second use is it can be used in flashlights. Why flashlights? Because flashlights are those lights which would send light to a very long distance, or maybe it would try to cover a very large area. So therefore we use a concave lens over there, so that since it is a diverging lens, it would be able to diverge the light in more area, and more area would be illuminated because of the light. Third use is cameras. A concave lens is generally used in cameras for getting better pictures, better pictography, etc. Now let us discuss the various uses of convex lens. First of all, a convex lens is used for making a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass, you all know what is a magnifying glass. It is used to magnify very small objects. I mean, like for example, if there is something written in a book which is not readable, so we can use a magnifying glass to magnify the image and see clearly. Okay. It is also used in microscopes, because obviously convex lens could be used to magnify the size of the image. So therefore it is used in microscopes so that we can observe very minute objects like microorganisms, etc. It is also used in spectacles for correcting hypermetropia. So these were the uses of concave lens and convex lens. Now let us start with a fresh topic, which is lens formula. What is lens formula? Lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So what is 1 upon f? F is actually focal length, v is distance, image distance, and u is object distance. So obviously when we use this formula, we would require focal length, image distance, and object distance. So this is the relation between focal length of the lens, the image distance, and the object distance. Next is magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is actually a physical quantity which would tell us that how big or small the object is or the image is. I mean, if in case an object is given to us and the image which is formed, we want to check that image, that whether it is larger than the size of the object, or smaller than the size of the object, or equal to the size of the object, then magnification as a physical quantity could be used, which would help us in determining how big or small the image formed is as compared to the real size of the object. Okay. So as usual, the expression for magnification is size of image upon size of object, but in terms of u and v, we can say that magnification is equal to v by u. Now let us discuss another topic, which is power. What is power? Power is the ability of a lens to either converge or diverge the light rays which is coming through it. So basically when we use a concave lens or a convex lens, they are supposed to bend the light ray. The extent to which they bend the light ray, that is, if in case it is a concave lens, then it would diverge the light ray, and if in case it is a convex lens, then it would converge the light ray. So the extent to which it is able to converge or diverge the light ray, that extent is known as power. In other words, or in a nutshell, we can say power is the reciprocal of focal length. This is the easiest definition which you can say, that power is the reciprocal of focal length of the lens. But the focal length is supposed to be in meters, because the power that we'll calculate would be in SI. So the SI unit of power is diopter. Now let us discuss with few numericals also. There are few numericals which are given in your NCERT book only. So first of all, let us discuss the first numerical which is given in your NCERT book. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus located at 5 meter from the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Now this numerical is about mirrors, so we need to remember this, that we will be using the expressions of mirror. As you can see that the radius of curvature which is given is 3 meter, u is minus 5 meter, and we have to calculate the image distance, that is v. Since the focal length is half of the radius of curvature, therefore since radius of curvature is 3 meter, therefore focal length would be half of the radius of curvature, that is 1.5 meter. Now we can apply the mirror formula and we can put the values to find v. So first of all we will put the value of f and u. So for f the value is 1.5 and for v is minus 5 meter. After putting the values and solving, we will get our final answer, that is v is equal to 1.15 meter. After that we can even calculate the magnification. So the expression for magnification is m is equal to s dash by h, or it can also be said as minus v by u. Since it is a mirror, so we will put a minus sign also, that is minus v by u. On putting the values we will get magnification as plus 0.23. Now if since the magnification is positive and less than 1, therefore the image formed is small in size, virtual and erect.